How to create and edit slider in WordPress. Adding a WordPress slider in post page. Open the post editor, select the location where you want to add the text slider and click on add slider button next to the media uploader. You will see boxes for each slider you have created. Choose the slider you want to insert and then click insert slider button. How to easily create a responsive WordPress slider. People also asked, how do I edit a slider in WordPress? How I create a custom slider in WordPress? How do I create a custom slider in WordPress without plugins? How do I add a slider banner in WordPress? How to create a slider in WordPress? Easy. Change slider image in WordPress. How to add images in WordPress using Eliminator. How to add homepage slider in WordPress step by step. How to create a homepage slider in WordPress. To edit them, hover any of the slides and click on the edit button. You will notice you are now in the visual editor. If you want to change the text, simply click on how to create WordPress slider and 5 top plugins to do it. Once you active the master slider plugin, you will find a new master plugin. How to create a dynamic slider in WordPress. Let's visit this website and see what happens. Okay, now we are on the website. If you are compiling the list of website features which will take you WordPress site stand out, a slider will be high on the list. But if you truly want to impressive custom website, you will need to slide with the dynamic content capabilities. What is dynamic content? Dynamic content is a content that changes on the web page depending on the data from the website or user behavior. The opposite of dynamic content is static content. With static content, that web page will stay exactly the same regardless of the user or time. A good example of where you tend to find static content on the landing page, which is usually displays the exact same title, description and call to action regardless of who clicks on it. Below you can see the landing page of download WordPress. Regardless of how to arrive on the page, you will see the exact same information because of it is static. However, there are times when static content will not work. For example, if you run a blog, you would most likely want to most recent post to appear at the top. If the content was static, when your blog would always display some same post on the top. However, it is the dynamic, then each time you publish a new post, the order will automatically change. Below it, the WordPress Explorer blog. Each time WordPress Explorer posts a new blog post, it automatically appears as the most recent post on the top left. Hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching.